Foldables are no longer a niche category, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is a monumental hit in it. So much, in fact, that it could be changing the company's entire approach to foldable smartphones. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. According to a report, there's a credible rumor going around that Samsung's going to capitalize on its success by making an even wider foldable. There's not much about the device yet, other than a potential 2027 release date, and that it likely won't feature the same 4:3 aspect ratio as the current Z Fold 8. The report suggests Samsung is looking to create a screen aspect ratio optimized for video viewing. That points to something like 16:9 or 16:10 aspect ratio, though this is just an intelligent guess. The reviews for the Z Fold 8 have been near all positive, but just with one caveat. It's that 4:3 aspect ratio, which forces letterboxing around most video content. And this new device would solve that problem. Sources have also suggested that Samsung's developing 5 foldable devices for 2027. This includes follow-ups to the Z Fold 8, Z Fold 8 Ultra, Z Flip 8, and a refreshed Galaxy Z TriFold. That last device was discontinued, likely because it cost $2,900 at launch, and this was before the AI-induced RAM shortage. You must wait for some time now, as these rumors likely won't be officially confirmed until Samsung Unpacked 2027. This event will likely be held next July. Speaking of foldables, it's entirely possible that you might get some concrete information regarding Apple's long-rumored foldable. Industry reports have suggested that this new design will come out alongside the updated iPhone lineup later this year. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.